Hi all, today I'm going to tell you how to install Java on your local machine. Local machine, I mean your laptop, your desktop. So for installing the Java on your system, you need to first go to Chrome or any of your favorite browser. Type in download JDK. JDK is basically the JDK kit, Java development kit, which provides you the environment for developing the Java code. Here you can see the first link from oracle.com. Click on the link. It will redirect to the page which will show you all the Java versions which has been developed and available for the developers till now. So for this particular tutorial I am going to use Java SE8. Here you can see a link mentioned as JDK download. Click on this link. Once you click on that link, it will redirect you to this page. Here, once you scroll down a bit, you can see that JDK systems are available for all the existing operating systems which we have till now, starting from Linux, Mac, Solaris, and Windows. Currently, my system on which I am making this video is Windows 10 64. So I am downloading this JDK. It will first ask you to accept the license agreement. Once you accept, click on download JDK. Once you click on that link, it will redirect you to the login page. To download anything, any product of Oracle, you need to have your Oracle account. It's a very easy process. You just need to click on this create account if you don't have one. It will redirect you to the sign up page. You can see that there are some of the fields like job title, company name. These are not available for students. So here you can either provide your college name, university name, or you can simply write not applicable. Once you are done with creating your account, you again come back to your download process. Provide your email ID. I am using my credential for downloading this. Hit enter once you provide your credentials. Once your credentials got verified at Oracle end, you will see that your downloading process will start automatically. Here you can see that my JDK has been started downloading. As you can see, the download process is about to complete. We'll wait for 5 seconds more. Once the download is complete, click on the up arrow button. Go to shown in folder. You can start your download process here, but as my own practice, I used to keep all my software at one place. So I'll go and paste it there. Once you put the software at your folder, just double tap on it. It will open an installer wizard for you. Here you can see the wizard will guide you through the installation process. So click on next. The next screen will show you the features which are going to get installed, that is development tools, or code, public GRE. Click next. Now it will extract the files. Once this process is done, it will take you to the next screen that will ask you where to install Java on your system. The default location is program file Java GRE. Okay. It's preferable to use the default location, else you can provide your own. Click next, and once you click on next, it will finally install Java and showing that 3 billion devices run Java. Once the installation of Java is complete, you need to provide the Java home path in system variables. How we will provide that path? Let's see. Once the Java is installed, you need to go to the folder where our Java has been installed, that is C, program files, then Java. Here you can see JDK and JRE both got installed. Now we need to use this particular path in our system environment variables. For that we need to go to this PC, right click, properties. This screen will show you advanced system settings. Click on it. Go to environment variables. In system variables, click new. Type in same as it is Java home and provide that path. Once you provide this path, the next step is to provide the path of the bin folder of the JDK in the path section. So for providing that path, you need to follow this typing structure. Once you are done with this, now we'll go and confirm that whether Java has been installed properly on our system or not. So for that you need to open command prompt and just simply type in Java minus version. It will show you that Java version is this. It will verify that Java has been successfully installed on our system.